This is the Daybreak Farmers Market. This is the first year, this is the first season, since June 2nd, 2018. My name is Stephanie Devine and I'm the Market Director of Daybreak Farmers Market. It's every Saturday and we run through September 29th. Right now we're 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Maybe we'll extend the hours. We have some really cool vendors. We have Roots Charter School. They're an agricultural high school, which I love, and they plan, plant, grow, harvest, and sell all their produce and vegetables. We've got several food vendors, and then a bunch of crafts. There was a lot of unknown, being a new market, and will people come? We never know, and people have been showing up, and the community is super supportive. People seem to really like it, and they're coming back. We're probably going to start opening a little earlier as summer gets rolling and we have more produce. It's a really cool bunch of people that really work together, and I think they're worth supporting.